Hey Leia users, today we're talking about editing the header section of our website. The header section is actually one of two sections that can't be deleted from your page, the other being the menu section. So let's see what we can do. We're going to scroll down just a little bit so we can see the section toolbar on the bottom with those 5 buttons. On the bottom left is the redesign section button, and if you're on a mobile device, it's actually best to use the desktop view when you're going to redesign a section. So we're going to click the toolbox button on the bottom right of the screen, and that's going to open up our toolbox. We actually have a great introduction tutorial on how to use this menu better. So we're going to click desktop view at the top. That's going to give us a nice overview. You can see there's a nice looking video going on in the back behind the header. So let's say we don't like the design. So we're going to click that redesign button on the left underneath the header section, and that's going to bring us up a new design. Let's say, okay, that one looks cool. Maybe we can find something better. We'll click that redesign button once again. And there's a little, okay, nice little animation. And we can also move backwards with that arrow to the left. We'll click that left arrow, and then you can also move forward using the arrow to the right. Let's say we like that one, or maybe we don't like that one. We want to do one more redesign. Let's redesign it one more time. Okay, yeah, I think that one looks really good. So let's move forward with this one. So we're gonna go back to the mobile editor. We're gonna click that toolbox on the bottom right. We're gonna go back to the mobile view. It's much better to edit elements in a section in the mobile editor. So we're back here. So down at the bottom again, we have the 2 squares at the bottom. That's going to allow you to edit the background. Check out our video in the About section for more information on that one. And then moving to the right, we have our Edit Code button. So if you know a little bit about HTML and CSS, or you just want to edit the code, you're welcome to upgrade to Leia Pro so you can use this button. We'll give it a quick click. And as you can see, it's got a bunch of HTML, and there's some CSS down there as well. If you know how to work with that, you can upgrade and check that out. So we're going to hit cancel out of there. So that's about it for the header section. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos on how to edit the other sections. And if you have any further questions, reach out to customer service at heyleia.com/contact.